Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this interesting video lecture, I will guide you for basic informations related RCC footing design, especially for size, depth and its steel reinforcement details for 2-story or 2 floors residential building G plus 1 story. If you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel and like the video. Guys, you can see for 2 floors means for G plus 2 residential building, what should be the size of footing, its steel reinforcement, depth and also size of column. This is the topic for today. Remember guys, as you can see here, the size of the footing for G plus 1 story, the size of footing you can keep up to 4 feet. It should not be less than 4 feet. This is the size of footing, 4 feet. Because this is individual footing and size is, this is square footing, so therefore the size is 4 by 4 feet. It should not be less than this. That's why, because you don't know the bearing capacity of side. So if you have the bearing capacity, etc., so you should hire the structural engineer for that. If you want to go for G plus 2 or 3 story, but in the case of 2 story, you can use the given data which I am telling you. Okay. So here guys, the size is 4 by 4 feet. The first is size of footing. So the size up to 4 by 4 feet. This is size of footing. Okay. Next guys, what should be the depth of footing? As you can see guys, this is the section. So here this is the plan and here this is the section. So here guys, the depth you can keep up to 3 feet for G plus 1 story. 3 feet you can keep its depth. But not commercial building, this is a residential building. Remember this, okay? Depth you can keep up to 3 feet. So this is depth of footing. Now guys, I will guide you for steel reinforcement. Okay? Steel reinforcement. So inside this, when you are providing the steel reinforcement like this, main bars and distribution bars, remember the dia of each bar should not be less than 12 mm with the spacing of 150 mm for both sides. Okay, same for this one, same you can use 12 mm with the spacing of 150 mm, or you can say ½ inch with the spacing of 6 inches C/C, center to center distance. So this is steel reinforcement. Here guys, you can see these are steel reinforcement inside this. This hook should be the hook length should not be less than 6 inches or 150 mm. Okay, so these are steel reinforcement. Used 12 mm dia with the spacing of 150 mm C/C, or you can say ½ inch with the spacing of 6 inches. This is steel reinforcement. Now I will guide you for size of column. Remember guys, for G plus 1 story, you can say for 2 floor residential building, the size of column you can keep up to 9 inches but not less than 9 inches. Okay, this is size of column. So size of column, let me write here, size of column for G plus 1 story. So the size should be not less than 9 by 9 inches. Okay, and used 4 numbers of steel rods which dia should be 12 mm. Okay, so 4 numbers. In the case of 9 by 9 inch size. Okay, So here guys, the lateral tie dia should be, ring dia should be 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm C/C. And here guys, you can see this is ring, and the hook should be bent on 135 degree. The hook's length should not be less than 3 inches, like this. And the hook should be provided on 135 degree, not on 90 degree. So most of the people, they are providing the hooks on 90 degrees. So this is wrong. This is the correct way. So these are steel reinforcement, and the spacing you can keep up to 6 inches. So this is size of footing, depth for G+1 story, also steel reinforcement details with column. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.